Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. And for today's video, we will be reviewing the new and improved SMOS Dex station. We are so thankful that SMOS reached out to Tech Valor and sent us their upgraded device so that we can give you guys our opinion about it. I left a link in the description to check out the review of the previous model. We will unbox the device, compare it to the current Samsung Dex station, go over some accessories, and give you my final thoughts. Unboxing. Their new packaging is very cute. It comes in a slim box that is way less frustrating than its predecessor. After a good shake, the bottom half emerges and then you just pull it out. Inside, you'll find the SMOS Dex station and the manual. That's it. If you don't have extras, you will need to purchase a dedicated USB Type-C with charging brick and HDMI cord. So that is something that you will need to consider. Luckily, I have cords galore. I must admit, I fell in love with the design. It has a low profile yet packed with the essentials I need to be productive. Okay, let me just marvel at her for a second. Ah, she is so gorgeous. Comparison. So let's compare her to the OG, Samsung Dex. The SMOS Dex has one port less than the Samsung Dex. They both come with two USB ports, USB Type-C charging port, and HDMI port. The bonus port that the Samsung Dex has is a dedicated Ethernet port so that you do not need to use your cell phone data or Wi-Fi. However, in a demo from the SMOS YouTube channel, they show you that you can attach a USB Ethernet adapter. You will lose one USB port if you use this method, but it is an option nonetheless. Another thing that the Samsung Dex has that the SMOS Dex does not is a fan, and thank goodness. Their previous model had a fan and it was very loud. It looks like they decided to get rid of the fan altogether, and that was very smart because they don't need it. I used the SMOS Dex for a few hours and it never got hot. It did get a tad warm, but nothing that raised my eyebrow. I did a charging test and I'm happy to report that the SMOS Dex supports fast charging. I used the app Amper, and it was fun to see how the SMOS Dex regulated the temperature of my Note 8 while charging it. It is very smart, and I think that is one of the reasons why it didn't get very warm. Oh, and here is another fun fact. The SMOS Dex works without hooking it up to the charger. Another cool feature is that the SMOS Dex comes with a slip that you can remove to make space for a thicker phone. That is very thoughtful of them to do so. However, you cannot use it with a thick case. It was disappointing, but you can't do it with the Samsung one either. There is a way to bypass the problem if you're like me and prefer to use a case 24/7, which is a perfect segue for accessories. I invested in two different types of USB Type-C extenders from Spigen. One is a cord and the other is just a small adapter. These are specifically compatible to work with Dex so that you will not lose video quality or connection. The small adapter works, but it was so high up that I could foresee it damaging the USB Type-C port of my Note 8. The weight of the phone solely rests on the port and adapter, with or without the slip, so I do not recommend this adapter. The USB Type-C cord extender was perfect. It fit with my case and the connection was just as strong as if I had docked it. I did notice that in the comment section of Amazon, some people stated that the male end of the port was too wide and thick to fit certain cases. If you come across this problem, you can carefully shave down the plastic edge to fit with your case. My favorite part about using the corded extender was that now I had access to my camera while operating Dex. Final thoughts. I am so happy with the improvements that SMOS made to their new model of their Dex station. I love that they listened to their consumer and created a product that I believe surpasses the original. At the current price of around $40, you get way more bang for your buck. The SMOS Dex states that it is capable of 4K video. The Dex software max resolution does not display 4K resolution. But that didn't stop me from going downstairs and connecting it to my 75-inch 4K TV by Samsung. I'll tell you, she is a beauty. Just don't forget to configure your audio output to your TV and not your phone. Another thanks to SMOS for sending Tech Valor their improved Dex station for review. I am overjoyed with this device and would highly recommend it. I put our Amazon affiliate link below if you decide that you wanted it to purchase it. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with others. And while you're here, please subscribe. And as always, stay curious, techies.